Mima and Zyaba are best friends.
Hello, boys and girls! I am Mima and this is Zyaba. We're so glad you're here! Zyaba and I look forward to New Year. And for today's project, we made something special for you guys. Fireworks! Do you like fireworks? I'm sure your dog is very afraid of fireworks. But Zyaba is not. Zyaba loves fireworks. And for today's project, we made a beautiful artwork with fireworks and glitter! Ta-da! What do you think? This is so easy. Anyone can do it as long as you have pipe cleaners, paint, and glitter. You see how easy it was to make this artwork, and it was so fun! Happy New Year, everyone! I hope you enjoyed our project. See you next time. Bye!